Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can reset a Mini Cooper radio. So basically to reset it, you want to park your vehicle safely before you do this and ensure that the power is on. From there you then want to hold the center volume and power knob down for at least 30 to 70 seconds until the screen goes black and the unit reboots. Once again, it's going to be the volume dash power knob. Hold it down for around 1 minute, and then you could also perform a hard reset by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for around 10 minutes. For newer models out there, it's going to be the same thing. And for modern generation, you want to turn on the engine, press and hold down the center dash volume button for around 15 to 30 seconds until the screen turns black. And for older models, I believe that this don't have a dedicated soft reset button, so you need to hard reset it by basically disconnecting the negative on your battery for around 10 minutes, and from there you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.